Hi, I'm Julie with Limitless Van, and I'm here today with the latest van to leave our shop. This is built on a 148 high roof, all-wheel drive Ford Transit. It has a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, and this is our marketing van. So we'll be taking it to shows and expos this summer, and then having it for sale in the fall. Because it's our marketing van, we loaded it with some really awesome exterior components and put in some fun and unique interior features. So keep watching and I'll show you around. All right, so starting in the front here, we have our Limitless van front bumper. This is something that we make in-house, exclusive for our custom builds. We don't have it for sale elsewhere. We also have a winch and then a Limitless van skid plate underneath. We have the amber running lights here, as well as up top we have 5 Baja Designs LP6 lights. They're on different channels, so the first middle 3 lights are running lights and they are always amber, and then the 2 exterior lights are floodlights for rain and snow. And those are all really easy to control with a button on the dashboard. Back here, we have our Limitless van side ladder. This we also make in-house and have for sale on our website. And what's unique about our ladder is that we offer extra wide rungs for support. And it goes up to our roof rack. This is our Transit Safari rack. It's a new design. It will be available very soon on our website. And up on top of the rack, we have 300 watts ZAMP Obsidian solar panels, and those are really high quality panels that we like to use. We also installed flare space flares for sleeping sideways in the van, and we opted for a beige wrap on this vehicle. So it was originally silver, and we really liked the beige with the powder coated black accents. We felt like it made them pop. We also added a Van Compass Topo 2.0 lift kit with Falcon rear adjustable shocks. And then we put on some Mazama all-terrain snow-rated tires and powder-coated our wheels black. Here in the back, we have our Limitless van rear tire carrier. This is going to be available for sale soon on our website. And just like our side ladder, it has extra wide rungs, so it's a lot easier to climb. Inside the garage, we have all the fun power components separate from the solar panels that are up top. So here in this wheel well cabinet, we have 270 amp hours of Battleborn batteries. This is the new Game Changer battery by Battleborn. What's really great about it is it's smaller and more compact, and you only have to wire 1 battery. So you'll see here we have a sticker explaining what everything is. We have these throughout this van, and that's just because it's our marketing van and we're taking it to shows. So we also have a 3,000 watt Victron inverter, and then we have shore power right underneath. The interior is all done with cream lawn ridge. And over here is our water tank. So our water tank, we put both a backlit sight glass here for easily viewing how much water you have left, but it's also connected to our RedArc system. So with RedArc, you can even look on your phone, easily check your water levels, and it's really convenient. And then right here is our exterior shower. And this is connected to the Rixon's hydronic system. So we have hot water and hot air in this vehicle. We even have a hot air vent in this back garage. It's easy to open and close. So if you want to be really efficient, you can keep it closed and just heat the interior of your cabin, or you can have it open to dry wet snow gear or rain stuff, whatever you have back here. So that's our garage. All right, so over on this side of the vehicle, we have our Fiamma awning. Underneath the Fiamma awning, we have some LED lights. And then one of my favorite features of this van is that we have this drop down right here in our kitchen galley. And it also has this pop out. It's magnetic, and you can easily pop in a Snow Peak isobutane stove for cooking outside. We also have outlets right here, so easily charge stuff, store stuff here, use your outlets for whatever you would like. As well as a drawer fridge for accessing from either inside or outside the van. And this is the Isotherm Inox 65. It's a really great high quality fridge. And the other component I almost forgot to mention is our air compressor. We have onboard air both here and in the rear for blowing up supboards, whatever you have. It's also great for cleaning off gear. All right, so here in our kitchen galley, we have a bamboo cutting board. This top part lifts up for a secret compartment underneath for storing things or just for putting utensils. We have a single induction cooktop and a Rivati 15 by 15 sink, and it's hooked up to a 20-gallon fresh water tank. We also have a little storage shelf up here. So this is one really awesome feature of this van I'm excited to share with you guys, and it is this 2-person passenger seat. These seats are from Wilderness Van, and we attached them to unwind seat lockers on L-track and also put a manual slider on there, so it's very easy to slide forward and back. It also unfolds into a bed for sleeping for a small child or adult. And the coolest feature about these seats is that they are mounted onto a swivel. So you can swivel the seat all the way to the side to have multiple configurations, perfect for putting on gear. You can turn the front swivel seats around at the same time and have a lounge area. With our lagoon table, it's also a place to work, play, eat, and it's really awesome all the configuration options you have. We make this swivel seat in-house at Limitless Van, and it's only for our custom conversions at this time. Let me go ahead and show you some storage features in this van. Here we've got our overhead cabinets, and these are made out of wood. A lot of people ask if they're metal. They're actually wood cabinets that we painted in a high gloss white, makes them really easy to clean and a little bit more durable. And inside our cabinets, like always, we have lighting that goes on and off as you open and close. We also like to offer little hooks and things we find really convenient, whether you're hanging up a hat or a jacket. And then we have this full-length cabinet here. On the bottom is our toilet that is on sliders for easily coming out. We've got shelves inside this cabinet here. And then some really unique features in this van is we put a wireless charging shelf here. So if you forget your USB cord, you just put your phone there and it charges wirelessly. We also have a little secret compartment behind the flares, built into the side of the flares. And there's a USB outlet in there, and it's another great place to put your Apple Watch, your phone, while you're sleeping at night. We did use the flare space flares, and that allows for 80 inches of sleeping across. So this is essentially a standard queen size bed. We have 80 inches in length, 61 inches in width. So even very tall people can sleep really comfortably east to west and then have more space in the rest of their van. We have reading lights, like always over here, as well as more overhead cabinets for extra storage. And then we have a pass-through. And we also have the biometric safe in the garage. So that is a great place to put important items when you're out and about during the day. All right, up here we have our headliner shelf. This is another component that we make in-house exclusive for our custom builds, and it has all the OEM capabilities. So we have the lighting attached to the top of it, the visors are attached to it. We also inputted a JL audio system right here into the headliner shelf, and we have speakers and amps throughout the vehicle. And the last thing that we added to this van that's pretty cool is we have a cell booster for extra service inside your vehicle if you're working or you're out and about. So this is all built on a fully loaded chassis from Ford. If you like this van and you're interested in one of your own, check out our website, www.limitlessvan.com. We offer custom and standard builds for various price points. And then go ahead and follow us on Instagram and YouTube for more van content.